Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to successfully design a landing page for yourself or for your clients on any killer platform. So the first thing you have to do right now is look straight to my screen. As you can see guys, I searched the keyword email marketing. As you can see, email marketing is the first page. There are almost 6,000 sellers here, but you can use the help of niching down, search for the best niching down here to be able to rank and for it as far as you can see guys. This is the first page of email marketing. All the people here have made a lot and they are successful. And if you also watch this video, you can also successfully you are consistent and you stay very active on your account. As you can see guys, this is everything. So how to render this service and what to do. I already explained email marketing, I already aligned it, and I already told you everything you need to do yesterday about this marketing. My video. So in this video, I'm going to go straight down from this tab below. This is the dashboard and get this done. So the first thing I want to work on now, I'm working on the landing page. I want to show you as someone that I'm going to start to know how to do this. Because this is landing page. See that this is landing page bar. Clicking down to the page to the right, it brings some categories different things to edit. So I already did a specific thing earlier. I just want to show you guys how to go about everything. So please hold on guys. So when the screen is downloading, there will be a series of things here that you can work on and design. And I can design from scratch also. But in this video, not at the same time, for you to understand what I'm doing as quick as I want you to understand it, the first thing I will do here is take a template. I will show you the template and how to go about them. So please don't understand. Okay guys, you see here there are a series of templates here that you can use. As you can see, there are so many templates here, but template I use particularly is this template. So if you want to use this template, you need to click on select template. Once you click on select template, it's going to bring up the screen, then you wait for a while to download. So if I want to do that, then I need to take up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes. So I already opened this, I already edited it, so I want to show you guys. So this is the landing page I'm working on in order for you to understand what I do. So this is my main goal here. I'm the founder of this page I created. You can edit anything here. For example, in this content, I want to edit this content. I will double tap it. I'll double click it. For example, I want to type 2025. See, so this is the landing page I work on. Sign up today and get the best digital marketer to leverage your business success. That is what I want my landing page to be all about. And this is my brand logo. Sorry, this is a brand image to show you and tell you what I'm trying to divert your attention. So as I told you earlier in my previous video, landing page helps in order to get leads and leads. So as you can see, my name is going to be here, my name is going to be here, and once you click on this button, they will go straight into the next page, which will be the thank you page. But in this page, once I'm done now with everything. As you can see guys, I'm done now with everything. So I need to click mobile page. How are we going to click on mobile? So now this is how we're going to click on okay, I like it the way it is, but if you want to edit everything, if you want to add your own image here, you're going to click on the image. As you can see, this is replace, this is edit. There's a lot of things you can do here. If you want to change the background color, there's a way you can do it also. You click on the background and you click on the color section. But right now, I'm not doing that. So once you're done, just click on save. Just click on save. As you can see, please wait for a while. Once it's done saving, then you proceed to the next page. Hold on guys, now successfully saved. As you can remember, in my previous video, I told you about HTML, agricultural vocabulary. So that is not going to be useful whenever you see it. So the next thing I'm going to click on next step. Yeah. Continue without mobile version. You can see thank you page without mobile version. So this is my thank you page here. So I want to edit this. I'll change it to my brand. Replace. I'll change it to my brand logo. So this is not showing the way I want it, so I would just rather remove it totally. So here, remember I did digital marketing. So our professional will contact you within 24 hours. That's what I want to do. Right. Once I'm done writing, I'll use the desktop as well. Then I save. Once I'm done saving, then I will live it in order for it to show on wherever I want it. So now once I'm done, I will get a code like a link. I can share this landing page with anybody in order for me to get this. So I will show you how everything works, guys. I could also leave this link in the description below in order for you to see how everything goes and how to get it by you as well. So good. So guys, I already edited it the way I wanted to. So now our customer care will contact you within 24 hours. As you can see, so I will view my desktop. This is the same thing, but I want this to work here. So I'll just change it. And there are some other options here. If I want to add extra image, this is button. I want to add image button here, for example. I want to add, see, I want to change this image. I'll click on it and edit. So I just want to edit it now. You see how everything works, how everything goes. So once I'm done editing it, I'll click on mobile version as well. So I'm going to edit this image. So this is how I want to do it. Let me check mobile version now. So this mobile version, I'll put it down. Actually, I should use a very smaller video, but if I get to do, I'll show you guys how to do a small program. Next video all about so now I'm saving it. Once it's done saving, then I will click on the next step. Another position, so now everything is on the desktop. By so I'm going to click on next step now. Hold on, guys. So guys, this is the next page that will appear on the screen. On this page appear on the screen, then you add the description here. Then you scroll down. Now, the last thing I'm supposed to do now is the content. On publish. So day of cycle, you just edit that. Well done. This is the date, as you can see here. This is the information about that. So now I'm going to copy this. Guys, I'm going to copy this. This link will be in my video description. You're not going to check out what I also did earlier. So I'm going to click on view your landing page online. So it's open the new tab immediately. Then you will see how everything is used. And most times this appears like just like a website. So you see guys, this is what I'm talking about. You see, often the links are just like a website. I don't need to worry about anything the name or anything. I'm using everything for GetResponse. GetResponse gives me some domain I'm going to use on every landing page that I create. As you can see guys, this is how everything is powered by GetResponse. So right now I just want to show you guys how everything is. So right now I'm going to add the name here. Tom. I'm going to write Tom here. And in this email I'll just copy my email here and show you guys how everything works. So guys, I added my email. Get free consultation. So to click on this button now. Okay, email is already subscribed. Yes, exactly, that's right. Let me just click something. Get free consultation. So I changed the email. So it looks like, you see, this is my thank you page. Our customer care will contact you within 24 hours. Guys, did you see how everything works? So thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate your time and everything. I will be very very happy to see you here in my next video. And kindly do me a favor guys. Kindly like this video. Comment in the comment section below. If you do this and you're able to design fantastic landing pages for your client and you get a tips on Fiverr or any freelance platform, kindly support me by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Stay safe guys. Have a nice day.